It's time for stage digitization, or selecting points for standard analysis. So let's close our element condition, go to measurement, stage condition, then click on position input. Okay, let's make sure we're optically in focus, very important. So let's go to our OMTV video screen. It looks like it could be adjusted just a little bit. Okay. Maybe a little bit better than that. Okay. Now, what you do under your stage condition input is this is where you basically would choose your points. We like an accumulation of 5 points. Later on, they'll be averaged, and we'll take a look at the counts data for each point and each element. Once you found, okay, I like to keep the OMTV screen open so that I can choose points where there are no cracks or voids. So you would hit, if you like this area, you would hit read and store and confirm. And this is your first point. Okay. So that's our first point on the standard. Let's move over to a different area. Oops, too much. Nice clean area. Right there. And do the same thing over. Read, store, and confirm. Read, store. Oops, we gotta hit the next point. Oh, okay. You can do this. This is done on the joystick option. So you just hit store for point 2. Okay, which makes it much easier. Okay, we can move. And you don't have to go move great distances. Just find good spots. It's point 3. Okay. Point 4. And finally, 0.5. Okay. Good. Okay, let's close our stage condition and then hit OK. And let's close this. Now under measurement, let's see. There's additional functions. Right here, click on this and make sure everything is clicked here on the right. Peak search always, background instrument always, asynchronous mode, measurement. Okay, that's good. Then you basically, if you want to do any other standards, you just repeat all of this over again. And finally, lastly, we go to EOS condition. Here, we want to make sure the current, let's close the PCD, turn the scan off because we're getting ready. The last few steps before analysis, we want to get to 20 nanoamps, so let's change the current to reflect that. This is going to be fine changes. Oh, wrong way. Okay, good. Whoops. Shoot. Oh, that's fine. Okay, so what you would do is hit read. Now this reads the current conditions off the EOS monitor. Then hit OK. And finally, we've picked our points. We know we're on the correct standards. Now we would go to preset measurement, and here we'd select, we're doing olivine, so we'll select that. Alright, these are the only standard that's going to be used, and then you'd hit acquire. And now you can kind of sit back and watch this. I'm going to pause the video and meet you guys on the other side when this is over. But this is typically what you would see when it's analyzing. This is your it's rolling data as the probe is collecting data. It's going to spit it out right here on the listing. And here on the right, the measurement control window will show you the progress on all the points. And there's about 5 points, and you can calculate. Once it does 1 point, you can figure out how long it takes, then calculate how long the whole measurement will last. And if you want to stop measuring, you would hit this red button here, stop measuring, close everything, and adjust the measurement conditions or standard analysis, anything you want to. So with data is already rolling in, and I'll go ahead and stop this and meet you guys on the other side and check the data. Thank you.